Yeah, did you have a good day at school today? Paris?
Yes.
Did you play?
Mommy.
You saw me. Sabi ni Daddy Mike na nagbago daw ako.
But when it drops, there's only one way up, isn't there? That is up, up.
What do you say when you are pushing the dog away?
Yeah.
Afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog. It's 5 o'clock na ng hapon and it's that time of the day. Pipick upin na natin ang ating baby girl. And kakatapos lang namin mag-work, guys. Na naligo ako. Tingnan nyo, fresh si atin nyo today. Hindi panos si atin nyo today, guys. Pero hindi lang nakasuklay. Mamaya na tayo magsuklay. Kakatapos lang din ni Daddy Mike na mag-work. Kaya ayan, pa-chill-chill. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Nanonood siya ng YouTube. Actually, nung lunch break namin kanina, nag-workout kami ni Daddy. Yes, Daddy?
Yeah. I put mommy through the paces.
I haven't done workout for a long time. And yeah, God knows how long. And today is the first time na nagbalik kami ni Daddy Mike sa pag-workout. And it was too hard. Actually, the first few minutes, para akong masusuka. Like, I nearly throw up, Daddy, yeah?
Correct.
Yeah, and Daddy said like, you are so unfit.
No, I didn't say that.
You said I'm unfit.
No, I said we need to work back on getting you back to... I said we need to work on getting you back to where you were previously, but I didn't say you're so unfit.
Okay. I got it differently, guys. Sorry naman po.
Is that why you got defensive?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so that's what he was saying, because when Mike and I were still dating, we're really into working out, like every single day, Daddy, yeah?
Okay.
And then, because of what's happening right now, parang nawawala yung motivation namin para mag-workout. And then, especially ako, kasi si Daddy Mike, every now and then, nag-gym siya. Pero ako, hindi talaga, guys. And, like, stop it!
What, Bob? Relax.
Wow.
Relax, it doesn't bite.
Buang mo siya, guys. Ayan siya. So, Daddy Mike said na bukas, mag-gym na naman kami ulit para daw, regular na daw yung pag-gym namin. Good luck to me. I don't know how I'm gonna go with that. But
You'll be fine.
we'll see.
You're natural.
Natural, no. It's so tiring. It's not easy as it looks, yung pag-workout. Sobrang sakit lang dito, guys. Oh, ng mga kasukasuan, ng paa.
I'm not trying to say like you need it because you need to like improve your aesthetics. What I'm saying is you need to work out for health, bub. And don't say I don't need to work out for health. Everyone needs to work out for health.
Yeah.
When you're saying to me the other day, oh, I'm sick of like I'm not eating properly, I ate shit. If you want to be an active wear model, in the Gold Coast or Brisbane, part of the parcel is working out.
Yeah, Bob, I don't really want to be an active wear model.
Yes, you do. And plus, I enjoy working out with you. Kaya yun, guys, hindi ko lang na-vlog kanina kasi parang diretsyahan yung pag-workout namin kaya hindi ako nakapag-ready ng aking camera. But hopefully, the next days, pwede nating ma-vlog kung ano yung ginagawa namin ni Daddy Mike pag nag-workout kami. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Our baby girl is now waiting for me. That's right.
Tapos mag-stop pa ako ng shop. Kaya, alright, I'm gonna go now. See you, Daddy. Bye!
See you, Mama.
Gonna get Paris. Nakalabas na ako, guys. Ang tingnan nyo, umulan kanina, oh. Pero hindi na siya umuulan ngayon. Obvious ba? Aalis na ako kasi gusto ni Daddy Mike na bumili ako ng something for dinner ba? From the shop ay meron. Michael Mackenzie. Ay, pera kay Daddy Mike man. Yeah, gusto ni Daddy Mike na bumili ako ng something for our dinner tonight. Ayoko kasing mag-stop mamaya na si Paris ay nasa sasakyan na. Kasi parang kung yun lang yung bibilhin ko, yung for pang dinner lang namin tonight, tapos mag-stop ako, then I have to take Paris out and then in, and you know, very hassle na. Kaya yung gagawin ko, ngayon na lang ako pupunta ng shop on my way to pick up Paris from the childcare. Dito na tayo guys, sa labas ng Coles. Coles ako ngayon kasi on its way sa childcare ni Paris. So, nakabalik na ako dito sa sasakyan guys. Ano, ipapakita ko sa inyo quickly yung napamili ko. Actually, pumunta ako dito. Para lang talaga sa dinner namin tonight. And yung pinili ko is yung pork ribs. Ayan. So, this is so easy guys. Ilalagay nyo lang sa oven and that's it. And then, while nandun ako sa loob, bumili ako ng Anzac biscuits. Ayan. Favorite ko yan kasi, anong tawag dito, may lubi-lubi. Ganyan. Tapos, bumili ako ng Mama Shrimp Tom Yum Flavor Soup. From, product of Thailand to siya. But, Mike used to cook this for me before and gustong-gusto ko talaga. Kaya, bumili ako ng dalawa. And then, bumili ako ng Pringles, banana muffins, and then the last one here is this mango slice. Yung dried mango. Ayan. And now, it's currently, anong oras na ba, 5:27 ng hapon. Ayan. So, I'm going now. I'll see you again very soon. Bye! Paris is here. Show me your... What's that now? I'll put that in the bin. Mama, hold it. Mama will hold it for you. Show Mama what you're eating. What is that?
Cookie.
It's a cookie. Hey, bye, Sarah.
Bye.
Now, did you use the toilet today? Wow. Did you poo-poo? Oh, wow, I'm very proud of you, Anna. You used the toilet for the first time. You poo-poo. Yeah, kiss si Mama, be. Kiss si Mama again. I love you. Come, let's go. Is it raining, Nak? Yes? Careful, ma-slide ka ha. Yeah, did you have a good day at school today? Paris?
Yes.
Did you play?
Mommy.
Yes, Mommy. Did you play? Tell Mama what you played today. Did you play with a worm?
Play the bumps.
Did you touch the worm?
Yes, no touching.
Yes, no touching. Unsa man good? Yes or no?
Please hold us.
Did you hold the worm? Huh? Wait, careful. Come on now, let's go out.
Parrot.
Come on now, 'cause Daddy's waiting.
That's in the car.
Daddy's not in the car. You full?
No,
Yes, this one full.
it's parrot.
Good girl. Careful. Nak, look at where you're going, Nak.
Going.
Madasma ka, go. Go na. Daddy is waiting. Yay! Where's the truck? Is there a truck?
No, not truck.
What's that?
It's not truck.
What's that then?
It's not truck.
There's no truck. Is it not a truck?
Truck with the hole, not truck in the park.
Oh, the truck is in the park.
Yes.
Yes. What's the truck doing at the park?
Rose.
What's this one then? What's this
Car.
one? This one.
Car.
It's a car. What's the color of that car?
It's black.
It's black.
That's yours.
That's yours. What's the color of that car?
Black.
What? Katong nilabay na.
Red.
Nah. Taka-taka.
Wow.
Ayun na.
Let's go.
Let's go na. Hi guys, dito na tayo sa bahay. Nagluluto na si Daddy Mike ng ating hapunan.
Just make sure I get all this.
Did you put it in the oven already, Daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy's cooking rice now. He said he's the expert in cooking rice.
That is correct.
Ang ating baby girl pala ay nandito sa couch kasi nanonood ng kanyang Peppa Pig. Ayan, oh. Hi, Nak! Hi, Baba girl! Shush! Are you drinking milk? Pasensya na kung medyo maingay, guys. Naka-on kasi yung heater natin, oh, kasi mag-ina. Are you drinking milk, my love?
Baby milk.
Oh, your milk!
It's fun now. It's fun now.
Ano daw?
It's fun milk cat.
Are you a baby cat?
Baby cat has milk.
Yeah, the baby cat's drinking milk. Alam niyo guys, yung mga dito ko ba ay sumasakit. Kasi kanina, how many kilos was that, Daddy? On the bench press?
You were doing only 15, but you're doing 15, but with resistance.
15 with resistance, whatever that was.
Resistance.
But yes, sumasakit dito. Sabi ni Daddy Mike na nagbago daw ako kasi before kasi nga, di ba na-mention ko na nung nagde-date pa kami, all the time pumupunta kami ng gym after work. Sa gym kami nagde-date and all. Tapos ngayon na meron na kaming Paris, nagsasama na kami. Parang nawala yung yung motivation ko ba sa pag-gym. So pag nag-gym siya, siya lang mag-isa. Kaya sinasabi niya na nagbago daw ako. Naisip ko din naman na kailangan ko ding bigyan ng time yung para tawag ito pag-workout din kasi yun pig ang anak namin umiiyak na. Ngayon, na-realize ko din na dapat talaga laanan ko ng time yung pag-workout namin ni Daddy Mike. Kasi yun yung bonding naming dalawa. And ever since naman talaga, yun talaga yung bagay na na-enjoy naming dalawa. And kasi nga naging busy na sa life, nakakalimutan ko na. And yun, it's good na pinaalala sa akin ni Daddy Mike na dapat sana hindi kalimutan kung ano yung nakasanayan namin before. Isn't that right, Daddy?
Yeah, that's right. What were you saying?
No, I was saying that you told me I've changed.
In what sense?
From the thing, like the working out and all, because we used to do it together before and now I
Yeah.
don't have time for it anymore.
Correct. Your performance has dropped, but when it drops, there's only one way up, isn't there? That is up, up. Wait, hold on.
How long?
Up. It's going up.
Wow, ano siya, guys. What do you say when you are pushing the dog away?
Yeah.
Do you know when it's for the cat?
No.
No, I told you this once before.
Wow. I don't remember.
Well, let's test your memory.
I don't remember. I just asked you. I told you. I don't know.
Chipe.
Chipe. I don't care. I like ja.
Ja. It's for
Then
the
how come you? Then how come you say? How come you say?
dog.
How come you say it to me? How come you say it in chipe or whatever it is?
Because you're a dog.
Mommy,
You want the water bottle?
I want the bottle.
What's the color of your water bottle na? Alay mo naman ang gihurot na. Purple, that's right. Throw rin na bin na ha. This one, oh, nothing in there na. Nak, tell me about your school, Nak, be?
Mommy,
Yeah, did you play with a jellyfish today? I saw it on the photo. Did you play? You were pointing the jellyfish. Ba? Ang boto, logi, bingo, bong, paa guys, oh, baligya, oh. 150 ng kilo dari karon, kaya medyo dako na. Sabiya po, biyag. Palangga mo kayo na ni mama nga baby, oy. Drink your milk na, Nak.
no,
Tara.
there's a pink one.
There's a pink worm. Where?
There's pink one on my tongue.
In your tongue? Shush! Bantay na mataga ka na ka. Yan yung pinapanood niya, oh. Peppa Pig.
Ne 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 ne. Do that sound na.
No.
No. Tingnan yung ating baby girl, guys. Oh, nag-wave-wave siya sa Lula dyan sa kabilang bahay ba. Nak, say bye-bye, Lula. Hoy, nak, wave siya kang Lula, nak.
Bye-bye.
Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Naka-turn on yung light niya. Ay, nag-wave hi siya kay Paris. Oh, nag-good night na siya. Nag-close na. Nak, did you say bye-bye to Lula, nak? Like nanay?
No more.
Huh? Say, night-night, Lola. Ay, sleep time. Sleep time na po mo. Wash the hands. Ay, face ta.
No.
No, no, no. Wash the face na and brush teeth.
No. It's cleaning.
It's not clean. We have to wash. You have to brush your teeth because you have been eating today. Yes? Go to the bathroom now. Daddy's waiting there.
That's washing.
Yes. Hi again, guys. It's that time of the day again. It's currently 8:40 ng gabi. And ang ating baby girl ay nakahilamos na, naka-toothbrush. Nak, show your teeth, nak.
Good cleaning.
Is it clean now?
Yes.
Good job. Ayan. So, papatulog na natin ating baby girl, guys. Kasi bukas ay may childcare. Kasi Thursday bukas, last day niya pala sa childcare bukas for this week. Pag nakatulog na si Paris, tsaka na ako maghihilamos. Kasi si Daddy Mike ay nandun pa rin sa sala kasi naglalaro ng kanyang video games after niyang mag-take ng shower. So, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat, guys. As always, hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat ng suporta na pinapakita niyo sa amin, sa pamilya ko. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga comments nyo. Binabasa ko lahat, guys. I promise binabasa ko lahat. Minsan lang nauubusan ng oras yung atin nyo. Hindi kayo ma-replyan isa-isa. As long as na-heart ko yung comment nyo, guys, ibig sabihin nabasa ko na yun. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And also, welcome pala sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat din sa pag-hit ng subscribe button. And sana i-hit nyo na rin yung bell button para naman always kayong notified sa ating mga bagong videos. And now, we're just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Vilma Reyes, Janet Gordon, Joyan's Vlog, Belin Pangilinan, and also shout out daw sa mga kauban niya sa work, MCT Corporation sa Batangas. Hello sa inyong lahat! Shout out to Rosana Mansueto from Laguna. Shout out to Fele Toledo na magbe-birthday ngayong 27th of August. Advance happy birthday sa'yo. Shout out to Joy Paragua, Lorna Gonzaga, Rosemary La Rosa. Shout out to Nurse Joyce Rivera from Marilao, Bulacan. Shout out to Guy, Ghuy yan. Shout out to Gina Sanggila, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, Mary Ann Caniel Vero, Emily Alyosa Sabico, Saiza Bear. Shout out to Daya Magallanes, Evert Suta 53, and also sa kanyang anak na si Maria Micaela. Shout out to Glenda de la Cruz and also de la Cruz family from Leyte. Angelina Ledesma from Tagog City. Gladys Mandanhuyan, Persil Hian, Chari Salazar, Helen Abiertas, Dolor Dalagan, Josie Carzano, and Carzano family of Bohol. Hello. Shout out to Annie Sarabusing, Lynette Cartagena, Sandra James, Myla Betasolo, Rosemary La Rosa, Jonah Rees, Lisan Bansil, Joanne Baguhin from Bohol. Shout out to Liza P, Jasmine Visperas. Shout out to Janice Mabuang, Sweetheart Annie, Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez. Shout out to Susing Sales, Nini Jean, Maricari Molta, Jenaline Balcorsa. Shout out to Mary Jane Encina, Sarang Hamnida, Norberta Nuno, Rinar May Ricowerta. Shout out to Mary Jane Villarreal, Jenaline Papa, Chandelier Infinity, Journaline Torres, Victoria Baptista, Jing De Ases, Roel Solanoy, Mylene Franco, Ruby Enriquez, Lovely Dimasangkay, Richelle Moranti Vlog, Joy Larot, Lorna Gonzaga, Sunya Stewart, May Gao, Josephine Rivera, Jam B, Jocelyn Pagaran, Feli Ilamparo, Soulmate, Erlin Riola, Marvin Cabasan, Lane Romero, Merly Corpus, Arian Joy Perez, Sharon Ando, Felina Rodriguez, Emily Aliosa Sabico, Cherry Tamayo, Lilia Vibal. Shout out to Inday Himentiza Diaz Torrijos, Joanne Ambe, Lailani Gilin, Music Lover, and Tanya Dean. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah!